Hello guys, today we're going to be doing some pulling from the new pack, the Blizzard pack, which just released like a couple days ago, with two chromas replacing the Chili Chameleon and the Peppermint Bark, plus a new rare, the Santa Sleigh. Let's check our Blooket to see what we can get with 100 packs. What? Okay, without reselling, we have a 60% chance. That's not bad, not bad. Include reselling, we have an 84% chance. Simulate, okay, we'll get some legends here. Market is gonna open on and let's start. Okay, uncommon, one uncommon, three uncommons, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, I have like really bad Blizzard pulling luck. The chromas actually look pretty good, to be honest. I kind of want the Chili Chameleon because there's like it actually looks really cool. Oh, we got the new rare Santa Sleigh. Holiday wreath, holiday wreath, gingerbread house. Have we gotten Wait, I think we got gingerbread man, right? Yes, legendary already. Nice. We were like 28 packs and we pulled the legend. Okay. Oh, we haven't pulled the reindeer yet. Dang. Okay, yeah, we didn't pull. Okay, now we have everything except for the stupid snowman. Okay, come on, snowman. Wait, did that holiday gift just say new? Wait a minute, I just want to check something. Did I have one holiday gift. And I pulled a legendary. Who are we joking here? Finally, okay, we have everything in the booster pack except for the chromas. Let's see if we can pull a chroma. I doubt we'll be able to pull the chroma because I have really bad blizzard luck here. Because like I mean it's kind of good because of the fact that I pulled an uncommon like so far into the pack pulling here. Okay, another snowman. Snow globe. Holiday gift. Holiday wreath. Holiday gift. I have no idea what just happened. Whatever. Hot chocolate. I think my computer just glitched right there. Oh wait, no, but there's like an item menu thingamabob that just popped up. Oh, I put double finger. Oh, another Santa sleigh. The new rare. 2 Santa sleighs. Dang. Okay, I have 3 epics. It's like 2,100. Not 2,000. 200. 100. 210 coins. Okay, nearing. Okay, good. Another legendary. I just like to stare at the legendary when it's pulled. Holiday wreath. Okay, another epic. Okay, this is actually not a bad pulling here. With multiple legends, basically multiple of everything except for the chromas. You're probably not gonna get a chroma here. I hope we do, but it's pretty low chances. Okay, come on, we need a chroma. I got the exact opposite of a chroma. Rare, rare, uncommon, rare, uncommon. Okay. Oh, yeah, exactly 100 here. Okay, 2 Santas, 4 snowmen, only 6 Santa sleighs here. To be honest, the Santa sleigh actually looks kind of clean here. Only 9 holiday gifts, and I got 10. I got more reindeer than holiday gifts. This is a joke. And I got like 19 holiday wreaths. 230, 370, 490, 66. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna say that. 225 and oh yeah, I forgot you have to type in it. Yeah, if you have like a dupe for like a legendary, then like they'll tell you the rare book and you have to like type it in. Oh, that actually was not a bad pulling right there. 1100 out of 1500. Teal confetti actually kind of looks like chroma confetti. I feel like when you pull a safari pack, it like the color background for like the safari pack matches like the legendary confetti, and like but in this pack and like the pirate pack, and like the background matches like the rare and like the chroma confetti. I know a person who already has the peppermint bark. He saved up like 7,000 coins and then like pulled it the moment the pack release. Kid lost 500 coins. I think we're cooked this round. Not a single legend. We had like 1,100 coins here. Gingerbread man, gingerbread man. Why does that keep happening? Oh well. Keep putting two fingers down on the mouse thingy. Reindeer, stocking, holiday gift, hot chocolate, snow globe, and snow globe. What happens if we open like one aquatic pack? Dang. Normally, whenever like I open like one like extra medieval pack or like one extra like aquatic pack, I pull like an epic or a legend. Like one time I opened like two stray aquatic packs and both of them were baby sharks. Wait a minute, I'm gonna use the strategy and wish I pulled the two baby sharks in one of my chromas on my other account. This is what I did when I pulled the chroma and two legendaries in a row. Okay. But you're not always gonna get like really good stuff. Okay, okay. Stocking, holiday wreath, reindeer, Santa sleigh, gingerbread house, hot chocolate, holiday wreath, snow globe. This is messed up. That's it. 20 coins. Let's open one stray medieval pack. And I lose that too. I guess only my other like account has like really good stuff here. Single legendary these two rounds. 225 only. I'm so cooked. Like 9 packs. We're not gonna get anything with 9 packs. Gingerbread man stocking. At this point, I've just given up all hope. Okay, epic, not bad. Oh, another epic. Okay, that might have been profit actually. Wait, no, I'm not gonna sell him right here. Gingerbread house, gingerbread man, stocking, wreath, and oh, we lost like 10 coins. Dang. Instant open and start. That's like what now? 8 packs, I guess. Yeah, 8 packs. Did we get like all uncommons here? I'm just watching the corner right there, if we get like anything other than uncommon, then there's gonna be confetti in the corner, like the bottom right corner. Here we go, only uncommons. Oh, that like absolutely sucked. Okay, so if we don't get a rare here, okay. So if we don't get a rare here, this is the last pack. Wait a minute. Actually, no, I guess I'll just sell all this stuff because they're like not that hard to get. Holiday wreath, chocolate, yeah. I'll just steal my snowman and Santa. Because like the Santa is 1% and that's like easy to get. If you like have a lot of coins, I guess. Okay, let's just sell them all. We might want to skip this part, I guess. Kind of like go ahead 30 seconds or something. Stocking. Holiday. Wreath. Hot chocolate latte. Gift. And the last book. No gloves. Time to open. Okay. This is the last round we're gonna do here. Wait, is it? Wait a minute. Okay. We don't get anything good here. I'm just gonna sell this. That's really typing all the stuff in. Holiday gift and hot chocolate. That makes one more pack only. Okay, this is the last pack unless we get something good. And I guess that concludes the opening for now. Like and subscribe, y'all, and thanks for watching.